Hey everyone, it's Danny of Danny's Mobile Welding here, and today I wanted to show you guys my mobile office. It's a very useful tool that I have, and I don't know what I would do without it. It keeps everything organized and consolidated in my truck. As you guys know, I spend a lot of time in my truck, and it basically consolidates my whole company, because I have a small business, into one little suitcase. So without further ado, here it goes. I'll leave product links in the description if you guys feel like you need to get one or are curious on where to get one of these tools. So go. As you can see, it's just a suitcase. This here is a Samsonite leather suitcase, 17 inches. I think it's like 4 1/4 deep. As you can see right here, it expanded. I don't know if it's supposed to do that or not, but it expanded to accommodate whatever I have in it, and that's fine. That works for me as long as it didn't break. So, as you can see, I got some files in here. This is where I keep all my paperwork for my trucks, or other business stuff, tax forms, checks, notes. I got this, definitely need a monthly planner. Let's see what else I got in here. Oh, this is my field tablet. This is what I use to take pictures of things in the field. I also use my phone too, but this is better suited because, I could, not worry about it. Plus, it's a cheaper tablet. This is a Galaxy Tab A. I'll leave a link in the description. It's nothing special as far as performance goes. It's just a tablet designed to get things done. And whoops, here's my bigger tablet. This is going to be upgraded, and I will leave a link in the description for the upgrade that I plan to get, because it's just about the same. Hold on, I'm doing this with one hand, so bear with me. All right, this is my Galaxy Book 2, actually. I'm going to be upgrading to the Tab S7 or S8 Plus, only because it has the DeX feature, which I really like. If you guys don't know about Samsung DeX, definitely find out about it if you got a Samsung phone. I also have this CYK phone holder that allows me to, put my phone there. I have this tablet here, so I'll just put it there, for example. It allows you to mount the tablet there. It has a little notch in here so you could plug in your phone or whatever. Battery bank. I'll leave a link in the description to a better one that I plan to upgrade, but you definitely need a battery bank in there. This USB hub adapter thing, definitely need this for you. It's good for phones. As you can see, it has the C charger right there, so you could plug it in and then read SD cards or plug your USB drives into your phone. I use this for the tablet. That allows me to, it also has HDMI out, so this allows me to upload files and whatever, so I'm able to upload videos and do what poor editing I can. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what else I have. I have a rapid charger for the Galaxy Books, a couple extra chargers, a lighter. You never know when you need a flame source. This USB plug I use for my QuickBooks, card reader, which I use on this tablet, or this tablet, or I just use my phone. But card reader, must have. Also leave a link in the description for QuickBooks. You can get like up to 50% off. So be sure to check out those links. And yeah, this is the paperwork. This is the accordion file I have. It's popping. I got this from Staples. I'll leave a link in the description. It's very durable. I do like it. It's hard. It can take a lot of damage without folding, getting your papers all crumpled up. This is basically my whole business in here. Last year's taxes and receipts, invoices, everything. So last but not least, my Jlabs, because you never know when you need a quiet place to or you need to hear somebody when you're on the road. These are noise canceling earbuds that I like to use on the job site because it allows me to hear background noises as well. You know what I'm saying? So I'll put a link in the description for this as well. Definitely must have if you're traveling or commuting to places and you need some tunes. Highly recommend. Very affordable. Sorry if this wasn't the best video in the world. I'm just an amateur YouTuber just trying to make some videos. Can't wait to show you guys some more of what I got. Can't wait to show you guys the whole truck, the whole rig, and all that. So we'll get to that. We're getting there. Please like and subscribe. Help me grow this channel.